Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a roguelike challenge for your maze game. So a roguelike is a type of game that has repercussions for your actions that can be permanent sometimes. So for instance, if you're getting really far into a game and you die, you lose everything. You have to restart from the beginning, all of your equipment's gone, all of your money's gone, etc. So some examples of some roguelike games are like Faster Than Light, also called FTL, or Rogue Legacy, or the Dark Souls series and Bloodborne, or even games like Neo. So in those games, if you lose or you end up dying in one of the levels, then you oftentimes have to restart your progress. So to do that in our maze game, all we have to do is add in one block. That makes it so that we switch to the backdrop that is level 1 whenever we touch the wall. So we might be playing through our game and we are going through it and we get onto the second level and we're like, yeah, we're doing really good, getting to the last level, doing awesome, and you're going, and then you touch the wall and now you have to restart all over again from the very beginning. So if you want to make an extra hard challenge for the people who are playing your maze, just add in a switch backdrop to your very first level if you touch the wall, and then restart. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.